It's either going to go really well or really poorly. All right. Which way? All right, I'm out of ammo. I'm just going to stab someone. You think I'm joking? What? Yo, they're running. Up top, up top. Fuck! I have no weapon, I had a fucking knife! Please tell me that hit! Did that hit him? Wait, did that actually hit you?
No,
It hit the ground. I saw him poke his head up, I'm like, shit! Ah, shit, dude. What the fuck?
I like how you just slipped.
Rest in peace, knife. Dude, fucking look at this shit. I don't know.
No, he hit the... It landed like 5 feet. Yeah.
Oh wait, hang on.
That was hilarious though. The look on your face was priceless too. You're like, yo, what the fuck?
I'm out of rifle for, or I'm out of rifle. I'm out of ammo for my rifle and I'm out of gas for my pistol.
Oh, that was fucking worth the run up here.
Yo, can you undo that thing of electric tape? Nah, never mind. I got it. This is retarded on so many levels.
Can I see your lighter? Oh man. Jeez, that was exhausting.
You okay?
Dude, it's all good. We're having fun. Oh my god, the knife was hilarious.
Dude, I was like, what are you laughing at?
My knife exploded. I was running up and he pokes his head up. I'm like, shit.
I was trying so hard.
So I
not to,
threw
like,
my knife and it
I
exploded.
was trying so hard not to like reveal you.
Yeah.
I was like not looking at you and everything, and then he heard you slip.
I slipped when he saw me. He poked up and both of us ducked down.
Oh,
This thing's such a piece of shit.
oh, that was hilarious.